Is this the best bike repair stand you can get for your house today? Stay tuned to find out. Hey guys, and welcome back. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the AshwaPro Paddock stand. This is a unique stand designed and made in India. So this is one of the most versatile stands available in the market today. You can use it not just to service your bike, but also for parking or displaying the bike off to your friends. So this is how the stand is shipped, and assembling it is quite easy. This form factor is really convenient because you can actually put it on your bike and take it with you if you're going for a race. So to ensure that your bike does not get damaged when it's on the stand, there's a nice PU coating on this. So this will ensure that your frame does not get damaged when it's on the stand. This stand has a rating up to 30 kgs. So being a 30 kg stand, I can actually even use this to service my fat bike. Well, the bike holder in this comes with measurements. And these measurements are useful because you can actually use it to set the height properly. Different bikes will have different heights depending on whether we want to service it or display it. So to answer the question that I asked at the beginning of the video, is this the best bike repair stand available in the market today? Definitely yes. With a price of 1900 rupees and with a form factor as small as this is a convenient and amazing bike stand that you can use anytime, not just for repairs, but also to display the bike. That's it for now. Until next time, safe ride everyone.